Hey guys, how's it going? How to transfer voter registration after moving. So, verify your current voter registration status online through your state's election office website and look up the registration process for your new state, including deadlines and identification requirements. If your new state allows online registration, fill out the application online, or you can download a paper form, complete it, and then mail it to your local election office. And some states automatically cancel your old registration upon new registration, but it's a good idea to confirm. Once submitted, check your registration status in the new state to ensure everything is processed correctly. By following these steps, you can smoothly transfer your voter registration to your new location. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.